It's day 6 of sourcing online arbitrage product every single day on YouTube to give you guys free products that you can actually sell. But beyond the free fish, right, I'm teaching you how to fish as well, and I'm showing you exactly everything that I do to find these leads really, really fast. So we set ourselves up for success with Arbitrage Stalker in yesterday's video. If you don't remember, just watch the video, right? And if you don't know what Arbitrage Stalker is, it's a software that I created to help you track sellers, right? So you don't have to do the stuff from stalking yourself. So whenever they add a new product, you get a notification. You can just check out all the new products on the website. And so this is what we're going to do. We're going to go straight into Arbitrage Stalker today. And yeah, we have a couple of new products with the status new that were pulled today, actually. So let's check them all, okay? And we're going to start one by one, okay? And we're going to see how fast we are going to be able to find a new product. So IP alert apparently on this brand, but maybe it's some bullshit because there's a lot of sellers on it, all right? So I like the price action. I like that Amazon is priced above right here. So let me look at if I can get this profitably. 6 piece 35. Yeah. Is that the same? So with everything that is... I haven't even introduced myself, by the way. My name is Chris Magunza. If you're new here, subscribe because I release daily videos to help you with your Amazon business. One thing that I don't like here, by the way, sorry for being rude. One thing that I don't like with these kinds of products is that people are going to buy these. They're not the real brand, right? It's just like replacement, like generic whatever that you can use instead, right? So, yeah, I'm not a fan. Because these are the OEM, right? So we're not going to buy these. We're not going to look into these. Let's look at the next product. And close tabs to the right. Boom, here we go. So Trilux high definition, whatever, some curl enhancer. $16.99 at Walgreens. Okay, we're gonna be able to make it work because we can get 20% off $40 or more. So $16.99 times 0.8. I'm sorry, we get these at $13.59.2, which means $13.60. All right, so $13.60. Boom, we have profit. Okay, so if we sell this FBA, we're making 20%, 19%. Profit. However, we need to be really careful because Whole Food is actually selling this, okay? So since Whole Food is selling this, we can see that here Whole Food is selling this at 20. We want to look at the people that are selling below that, and yeah, that's not, I mean, looks like it's moving. Well, it looks like it's moving. It's indeed moving. At 24.85, 24.84, yeah, so it's indeed moving. It may not move really fast, not as fast as what it's saying right here. Like, you're probably going to get a few sales, and I just closed my Arbitrage Stalker. We're back, so we're going to start from the top and re-OB. So if you know the loop, you know the loop. If you don't, you don't. By the way, I know, some noise. My vacuum cleaner is cleaning right now. I don't care. I'm still going to get this done for you guys. Let me see. So, I mean, these, if you know the loop, you know it. If you don't, you don't. There's not a lot I can do for you if you don't know it. But, I mean, this one, you get it at $29.97. You can get it cheaper than that. And, I mean, it's going to be straight up profitable. Here we go. So, I mean, it's hard to do worse than that. That's easy profit. How fast is it moving? 50 a month. I mean, that's some easy profit, right? Not too hard, but we're gonna find something else for you guys. So we have, I mean, we have 2 profitable products already. We just buy 2 of them. I'm just going to send this vacuum back home. Like, give me a sec. My bad, guys. It was doing way too much noise. But, let me see. Hazmat review, it's fine. We can just FBM this. So if we get it at 878, right? Is it a third? I mean, it's a third profitable product. It's a third profitable product. We're cooking with this. Yeah, we are cooking. So I don't know much about this website that we're going to buy from. So you will need to check if it's legit or not. It looks like it's a legit option. We do get these at 878. So that's 3 profitable products. I mean, that's profitable. That's profitable. We started from the bottom right here. This we skipped it. This was kind of profitable, right? Another one from the bottom. How many profitable products are we going to find today? We're just 5 minutes in the video. By the way, don't believe too much the IP alerts. Like, there's a lot of false positive. So on Ryobi, for example, you're going to be fine. So that's, we get these for, wait, if we get these for $5, let me see, but it's $10 on their main website. But that's the 3.5 ounce. The 1 ounce is definitely $5 indeed. Yeah, the 1 ounce, is that the 1 ounce? Yeah, I mean the 1 ounce. The 1 ounce is $5. So it's out of stock on the main website. You will need to check if this website is legit or not. Does not look that legit. What is scan code filters? I mean, this one, worst case scenario, this one, get it for $6.95. You can buy with shop, all that stuff. So you're protected. If you don't know the website, if you don't know much of the website, just pay with PayPal. So let's say that we actually get it at $6.50. Boom, that's another profitable product. I mean, we have 4 profitable products already. We're not even 10 minutes in. We're going to check them all, right? Because like that's going to make like free. I mean, you have 3 products for days, and you can follow the whole, like pretty much the next 30 days could be just this, right? We set up other things that we are not even doing because this shit is way too easy, right? So $5.48 on Walmart. Here we go. $5.48 on Walmart. Yeah, that's not really going to work. That's not really going to work. We will need to find them cheaper somewhere else. A 4-pack, $21.92. It's not going to work. $5.97. I mean, okay, except if you can get a huge coupon on their own website, that's not going to work because we're just making, if selling them at then, we're making $4.76, but the product tanked recently, so yeah, this, we know this, we've seen this already. Peel with eyeshadow based, let's check this out. Let's close everything else, right? Boom. And to be honest, it's way too easy. Like, online arbitrage is way too easy. Price tanked. We're not going to check this. Online arbitrage is way too easy when you're using something like Arbitrage Stalker. I mean, I would love to source more for you guys, but like, you know, like we find these, like it's so easy for us to find these products. Like I'm not even like, I cannot even make this up. Okay, so the issue with this is, I mean, we can get them at $13.95. Okay, so if we get them at $13.95, I mean, the profit is going to be really low. I mean, it's profitable, but like, you know, it's not enough. And I would need more profit for it to make sense for me. But maybe you can manufacture your margins even more. It's, you can use ShopPay, so there's a lot of coupons that you can find. Additional coupons that you can find on ShopPay. So I'll let you guys dig on this, okay? And last product that we're going to check today. $16.88. We're gonna need to find it at like $9-10. Yeah, $9.93 profit. So is that just like one of those refill packs? Yeah, it's a refill pack. But it's not like, so it's $5 there. Let's look on Instacart. Let's check both. On Instacart, how much am I going to pay for this? On Walmart, it's out of stock. Right there, it's, I mean, it's third-party sellers. So it's not there anymore. But yeah, I mean, we haven't even spent 10 minutes. We found 3-4 profitable products. I don't remember. 1, 2, 3-ish. But 3, 4, yeah, like 4 or 5 products easily, right? We did not even break a sweat, right? Like, I'm literally showing you how you can run a 6-figure business, spending less than 10 minutes a day, sourcing, like looking for products. And then some people are going to say, yeah, but online arbitrage is not a good business model because you need to constantly look for products. If you have at least 2 fucking neurons, you can actually figure out how to do this. It's actually easy. Okay? Like, you don't need to spend that much time. I mean, you're gonna work 10 minutes a day and you can outsource this. You're gonna work 10 minutes a day. Yeah, I'm done. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Watch this other video.